This is what we do every day after breakfast. We make a toy together and we place it on the couch. She likes to sit beside me and destroy the toy. Keeps her beak busy, and we have a lot of mommy birdie time. She makes a big mess, but I don't care. It's easy to clean, and she's having fun and keeping her beak busy. She destroys these blocks in no time. We'll do this every morning, and then we'll make another toy, and then we'll hang it off of her cage, and she goes through that during the day. Look how powerful that beak is. That was a big block. Look at the power of that beak. That's what she likes to do. We make a toy together, and she chews it up.